Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is electricity unit test paper 5. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 4. Now let us move for unit test paper number 5. Let us see what is the first question. Materials which allow larger currents to flow through them are called insulators, conductors, semiconductors and alloys. So material which allow larger currents to flow through them are called as conductors. Option B, conductors. Then second one, presence of chemically inactive gases like argon and dash prolong the life of the filament. Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, bromine. So presence of chemically inactive gases like one is argon, another one is nitrogen. So option A, nitrogen. Now let us move for second main, that is question number 3. So the third question is define 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is defined as if 1 coulomb of charge, if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second, if 1 coulomb of charge flows in 1 second, then current is said to be 1 ampere. So now let us move for question number 4. If a person has 5 resistors each of 1 by 5 ohm, then what is the maximum resistance he can obtain by connecting them in series? So 5 resistors are there. So all the 5 resistors R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, all the 5 resistors having the same resistance, which is equal to 1 by 5 ohm. So now, calculate the if all the 5 are connected in series, then Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So Rs is equal to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So Rs is equal to, so the denominators are same. Therefore, add the numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1 ohm. So if all the 5 resistors are connected in series, each resistor having resistance 1 by 5 ohm will be equal to 1 ohm. Now let us move for third main, that is question number 5. So question number 5 is list the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel. So let us write what is the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel. The first one is current will be divided. Current will be divided to each appliance. Current will be divided to each appliance. Then each appliance will get the same voltage. Total circuit resistance decreases. Total circuit resistance decreases. Then if one appliance fails to work, if one appliance fails to work, others are not affected, then it is easy to connect or disconnect. Now let us move for question number 6. So in the question number 6 they have given two identical resistors are first connected in series and then in parallel. Find the ratio of the equivalent resistance in two cases. Two identical resistors are connected, first to series and parallel. Find the ratio of the equivalent resistance in two cases. So two resistors are there, R1 and R2, both are equal. R1 and R2 are equal. So first in series. So R1 RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So RS is equal to R1 plus R2 will become, that is R plus R. So RS is equal to 2R. This is series. Then parallel. 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 is R plus 1 over R2 is R. So 1 over Rp is equal to, both the denominators are same, add the numerator. It will become 2 by R. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by Rp? Rp by 1. What is the reciprocal of R by 2? 2 by R, it is R by 2. ಈಗ find the ratio of equivalent resistance in two cases. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ RS by RP ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. RS by RP is equal to, RS is 2R and RP is R by 2. So now that is equal to RS by RP is equal to 2R into, what is the reciprocal of R by 2? 2 by R. R cancel ಆಯಿತು. What is the remaining? 4 by 1. Therefore ratio is RS is to RP is equal to 4 is to 1. So like this we have to find out the that is the ratio of equivalent resistance. Now let us move for question number 7. In question number 7 they have given a 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. So ಒಂದು wire ಇದೆ, ಆ ವೈರಿನ resistance 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled on itself. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. So 6 ohm resistance ಇರುವ ವೈರನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ 6 ohm ಫಸ್ಟ್ let us solve this one. R is equal to 6 ohm, length L is equal to L, area A is equal to A, rho is equal to rho. Therefore R is equal to rho L by A. R andre 6. 6 is equal to rho L by A. You call it as 1. Where rho L A by A comes, there you have to substitute 6. ಈಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ohm resistance, ಈ ವೈರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ವೈರ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್, ವೈರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ವೈರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, if wire is doubled andre, so length becomes half and area becomes 2 times. So L is equal to L by 2, A is equal to 2A, rho is equal to rho. We have to calculate R dash. R dash is the new resistance. So what is the formula? R is equal to rho L by A. R means R dash. It is the new resistance. Rho is rho into L. L is L by 2 into A. A is 2A. So R dash is equal to rho L by 2 2s are 4A. It becomes 4A. R dash is equal to rho L. So what is rho L? So rho 1 by 4 into rho L by A. So R dash is equal to 1 by 4 into what is rho L by A? It is 6. So 2 2s are 2 3s. So which is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore R dash is equal to new resistance is equal to what is 3 by 2? It is 1.5. Therefore R dash is equal to 1.5 ohm. So the new resistance. Therefore new resistance of the wire. Therefore new resistance of the wire is 1.5 ohm. So like this we have to calculate the resistance of a new resistance of the wire. Now let us move for question number 8. In the question number 8 they have given write the mathematical expression for Joule's law of heating. Compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 2 hours through a potential difference of 40 volts. So let us answer this question now. So it is 4th May, 8th question A. Mathematical expression for Joule's law. H is equal to I square RT. In that B question, compute the heat generated while transferring charge given Q is equal to 96,000 coulomb. Then time is given for 2 hours, which is equal to 2 into 3600, which is equal to 7200 seconds. Now potential difference V given as 40 volts. So we have to calculate the E generated. First you calculate I. I is equal to question mark. I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q is 96,000 divided by 7,200. 2020 cancel. Then we have to divide by 12. Or 24 3s are 72, 24 4s are 96, then 0 is remaining. So I is equal to 40 by 3 ampere. This is the current. Now let us calculate the heat generated. H is equal to I into V into T or V into I into T. So H is equal to I is 40 by 3 into 40 volts into time is 7200. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 1, 3 fours are 12 0 0. So H is equal to 1 2 3 4. So total it will become 1 2 3 4 0. So 24 fours are 4 fours are 16. 24 into 16 if I multiply, so we will get 16 fours are 64, 6 carry, 16 twos are 32 plus 6 is 38. So 384 joules. This much of heat is generated. Now let us move for question number 9. Explain the use of an electric fuse. What type of material is used for fuse wire and why? They asked. So let us answer this question now. So ninth question, explain the use of electric fuse. When excess current flows through the circuit, the fuse wire gets heat and melts. This breaks the circuit This breaks the circuit and protects the electrical appliances and protect the electrical appliances from protects the electrical appliances from damage. Then what type of material is used for fuse? So fuse wire is made of an alloy of lead and tin which has low melting point because if current flows more than needed it should melt, and by this it should break the circuit. So now let us move for question number last question of this paper. Calculate the resistance of a material of length 2 meter and area of cross section 1.55 into 10 to the power of 6 meter square if the resistivity of the metal is 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So what they are given, let us make a list, and this is the last question. So 10th one. So length given as 2 meter, area given as 1.55 into 10 to the power of 6 meter square. Then resistivity is given as 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So resistance is equal to question mark. R is equal to rho L by A. R is equal to rho 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 2 divided by A is 1.55 into 10 to the power of 6. So now R is equal to, so 2.8 into 2 become 5.6 divided by 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So resistance is equal to 5.6 divided by 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 14. So let us divide it now. So here area is 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square ಆಗಬೇಕು. So 10 to the power of minus 6, if you take it up, it will become 10 to the power of 6 ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus 8 plus 6 will become 2. So 5.6 into 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so if I divide 5.6 by 1.55, so we will get 3.61 into 10 to the power of minus 2. R is equal to, so is 2 ohm. 3.61 into 10 to the power of minus 2 ohm is the resistance of the metal. So like this we have to calculate the resistance. By this we have successfully completed, we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper 5. So in the next video we are going to solve the next paper. So till then, thank you very much. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and please press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much.